Welcome back to Faewood Mead, or welcome to Faewood Mead. If you're new here, hello, come join us for a little drink, a little drinky poo over here. I'm not going to cut off the wrap. I'm just gonna go in there. Ooh, fabulous aroma. Let's let that open up. Very red wine-like. The mulberry's coming through. Mulberry has this like sweetness to it. There's almost like a candy-like note. Like a, not bubblegum. Bubblegum? Yeah, I love catching the mulberry just sitting right on top of the blackberry. Because the blackberry, I think, has a richer nose. It's like more of an not earthy note, but just a richer note, and then the mulberry is like a nice little sweet note on the top. Okay, so I marked this dry to semi-sweet. The gravity was sitting at 1.010, which is pretty low for me. I think that is technically, that's like right on the edge. I mean, a lot of people wouldn't consider that dry at all. 12.3%. 12%. Okay, I'm just gonna go in. Cheers. The off-dry does work. It almost puts me out, like, it doesn't put me off. I just like a little bit more sweetness in my mead. I think I tried off-dry just to try it because it's just a very rare move for me in my mead, you know? If you've had dry mead, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's just like, there's a certain character quality to it. It's almost like a little bit of heat, almost like an ethanol type heat, but not. I don't know. This would have been better at 1.020. I think. Some people might love it the way it is. And, you know, for some people, even a dry mead is like too sweet for them. Because it's not oxidized. It's not that. I think it's just this dry character that is sitting there. Maybe if I let it open up more. This has been sitting for almost 2 years. Oh no, I'm wondering if it is slightly oxidized or if it's just the fruit, where there's almost a sherry-like quality, which can be is oxidation, I should say. So some ways to know if your mead's oxidized. There's a browning, which is what I'm looking for. It's just kind of like a rusty red, which can certainly just be from fruit. I mean, I've made so many rusty red meads that it's hard to know. And the other thing is a sherry-like quality and flavor. It's still drinkable though. Like it's still good. It's not bad. Not bad by any means. It's just like not what I would expect. What do I think of this? I think it could be slightly oxidized, which is unfortunate. But it might also not be. It might just be how this mead is. It might just be this way. You know, I think it's fine. You think it's fine? I think it's fine. I think it's just the dryness. It's throwing me off because I don't make dry mead. I don't make it. I don't drink it. I don't consume it in any way, shape, or form. And so I think it's just throwing me off. I think this is actually fine. The more that it's opening up, the more fruit quality I can pull. Like the mulberries are coming out more. It does have a nice aftertaste. Like it lingers into mulberry land. The thing I was experiencing is starting to go away the more that this opens up, and the more like blackberry and mulberry I can taste. So I'm just gonna like give things time to get good. Go on now. Go on, get. It's better now. It's still dry. Pretty good combo. Honestly, I mean, blackberries and mulberries. If you live in a place that has mulberries, that's how you can make this. Really, you can't. Because I use red mulberries. I use like off the tree, fresh, not dried. It takes a lot of work. It's a lot of collecting, but it's pretty worth it. I've made some excellent mead with mulberries. I've also picked so much. I think I still have some in my freezer from like 5 years ago. I think mulberry blueberry was still my favorite. I think mulberries and blueberries go better together than mulberries and blackberries. I will say that. Thank you so much for joining me. I know tastings are short and sweet, but kind of fun, right? I enjoy doing them anyway. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy some mead, beer, cider, sake, liquor, whatever beverage you are making, maybe not, just enjoying. And I'll see you all next time. Okay? Cheers. Bye. Bye. Appreciate you. Bye.